Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw Peppa Pig. Draw with me. First I am going to draw Mama Pig. Let's draw her face. Now I am going to draw her nose. It's time to draw her mouth. Now I am going to draw her eyes and cheek. Great! Now I am using brush marker for enhancing Mama Pig's eyes. Great! Now I am using big marker for drawing Mama Pig's ears. Now it's time to draw her body. Great! Now I am going to draw a cereal box. Now I am going to draw Mama Pig's hand and she is holding the box. Now I am going to draw a big bowl. Now it's time to draw George's face. Now I am going to draw his eyes and his smiley face and his cheek. Great! Now I am going to draw Peppa Pig. Let's draw her face first. I am drawing her smiley mouth and her eyes and her cheek. It's time to draw her ears. Now I'm going to draw her body. Great! Now it's time to draw Peppa's hands. Now I am using brush marker for enhancing Peppa's eyes. Let's draw George's hand. It's time to complete the table. Now I'm drawing two plates for George and Peppa. Now I'm drawing cereal. It's time to enhance the picture. Great! Our picture is ready. Let's enhance our picture. Great! Our picture is ready. Let's color our picture. For Mama Pig's face, I am using light pink color. Now I am using dark pink color for cheek and smiley mouth. Now I am using light pink color for Mama Pig's ears. Now I am using bright red color for Mama Pig's beautiful dress. Now I am using light green color for cereal box. Now I am using yellow color for cereals. Great! Now it's time to use sky blue color for our bowl. Now I am using light pink color for George and Peppa's face. Now I am using bright pink color for cheeks and smiley mouth. Great! Now I am using purple color for George's dress. Now I am using sea green color for Peppa's dress. Now I am using brown color for our plates. Great! Now I am using orange color for our dining table. Now I am using orange color for enhancing the wall. Great! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.